what we used to call dugu dugu, as if it was a whole okay thing. It's not. If that is found to be happening, child on child, in first world countries, it is a big issue. And they would dig up that family from the top to the bottom to find out where is this child getting this influence from. It is a big, nasty, dirty, stinking problem in Jamaica, and it should not be happening. In the Jamaican social media atmosphere, there's currently the topic, which is very popular. I don't want to use the word trending, because trending kind of put that positive connotation on it, but it's not a positive thing. So there's this popular topic going around, and it's because the main reason is because someone famous has got in trouble. It's open information. It's on the internet in Florida. It's in Florida on the police website that he's been arrested and all of this. We know the name and stuff already, and we know the family that it's affiliated with. But I'm saying that we are so hypocritical, like these topics come up. This topic is so hot now and everybody's talking about it. But 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks, a month from now, who is going to be talking about it? I remember a few years ago during COVID, there was this girl, and I'm trying to remember her name, but I can't remember her name. She did a video on Facebook that got a little bit of attention. But a lot of people were also bashing her and saying she was lying, and a lot of people did not feel sorry for her. She was talking her story, and she was saying that so the topic at hand is for children, girls and boys in Jamaica, and I'm going to say in the Caribbean as a whole, how wrong it is and how normalized child behavior is seen or is deemed to be in Jamaica. I'm going to come around to why I'm saying all of this. But what annoys me very much with this situation is how, because this popular person has been mentioned, everybody know, even some people who have in social media atmosphere have supported those people who have been convicted. This now is a touchy topic, right? This little part here. I'm not going to say certain words because I don't want YouTube to ban my video. But there's this one popular person in Jamaica who I used to follow, an actor. I'm not even going to say he or she, but an actor who went to America, was living in America, was charged for, and I think did some time. And that person went back to Jamaica and was popular. And this person was charged against a child for a crime, sexual crime against a child. I used to, when this person came up in COVID time and became popular, because I watched this person from back in the day in plays, and I quite liked the character that this person played. I was watching and I was laughing and I was so into this individual. I was into this person, lock, stock and barrel, even them number in on my phone. I think I've even made contact. You see, when I heard the speculations come out about the crime that person committed, me, Google is my best friend. Anybody know me know that. I went into Google, type in the name, and I brought up the whole file. Me say, hell no. And from that day, that person's spirit just aggravate me. Them just aggravate me. I block them from, Even if them pop up on my screen, disgust. I feel so, my skin crawl, I feel so angry when I see that person's video. I'm going to say to my friend, I said, you know, I feel like I want to do a topic for talk about this because it's so swept under the carpet and it's such a problem in Jamaica. And it's not just now, and it's not just a problem between adult and child, but it's also a problem with children manifesting these sexual behaviors towards each other and not knowing that it is wrong. Not knowing that it is wrong. And a lot of us, and I hope a lot of these foreigners who are doing videos, this message can go to the Jamaican population and let them know it is wrong, because it's probably still going on and probably still normalized. It is not normal. Child and child, what we used to call dugu dugu, as if it was a whole okay thing, it's not. If that is found to be happening, child on child, in first world countries, it is a big issue. And they would dig up that family from the top to the bottom to find out where is this child getting this influence from. It is a big, nasty, dirty, stinking problem in Jamaica, and it should not be happening. The children are, the society is everything is sexualized. The music, nothing is hidden from children. Daggering in front of children. Room door push up, but knives are going in the room and the kids know what's going on in there. Rooms are being shared with children and things are going on, and you think the kids don't know. They know. And the children do not see a difference between the adults and themselves because everything is so open. It should not take, so a lot of people with a platform now is talking about this situation and how embarrassed they are or sad they are, or which if are the wife or the husband they're putting the blame on or whatever. We need to put a blame on the society. Jamaican society, boy, girl, everybody, man, grandfather, grandmother, great-grandmother, great-grandfather, the music, the films, the clothes, every single thing, our mindsets. And a lot of them are coming out and saying that Jamaica needs yes, we do need a sex offenders register, but we also need to change the mindset of the people and let them know. I don't know if the people higher in the upper echelon of society don't know that this goes on. But in the poorer set of the lower class, it is normalized. And I'm sure a lot of these people who are now upper class, they used to be lower class. A lot of them come from certain backgrounds and certain households. Some people were lucky enough to grow up in a household that seemed to like have certain moral standards and whatever, maybe had two parents and grandparents, like, so, you know, you had more people to watch the children and stuff. But when you had families where parents had to go out to work and leave them kids with all kind of people or leave them kids by themselves, they were open to all sorts of abuse. It's coming from long time. And I was watching a YouTuber and they said, and this is a thing that people always say, hurt children. It happens. And hurt children, a lot of those hurt children have been hurt by adults. Disgustingly. And those things do not leave their minds. It stays in their minds. So when you see some of these behaviors, and it's not only Jamaicans, so don't come with, we're not going like only Jamaicans do that, or blah, 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 blah. That is not the point. That is not the point. The point is that we have come, as we're talking about Jamaica, because we are Jamaicans. And yeah, we can say it's not only Jamaicans do those things, because people's got perverted minds. Adults have got sick minds. But a lot of these sick individuals, it stemmed from somewhere. Something happened to them as a child. This famous person, we always, when we watch their videos and stuff, what has something happened in that person's life as a child? Because I've seen it in comment sections, and I've also wondered myself, this person isn't very close with their side of family. Why? Is there some deeper issue at hand? Even those people who are not Jamaicans, who have displayed certain behaviors as an adult, certain inappropriate sexual behaviors towards children, even them have some demons in their closet from when they were kids, possibly. And it probably isn't even sexually motivated. It could be some other sort of childhood trauma that they've now acted out in a different way to what they had experienced, because something else has influenced their mind in a sexual type of way. But it's an issue in Jamaica, and it should not be swept under the carpet, and it should not be only at these times, and it should not be only because it's this family that we've come to love and all of that. Because the same people who are talking about it and saying how wrong it is and how you must not disbelieve a child, the same people did not talk about the person. I'm going to edit that out. The same people did not talk about this well-known person who came back to Jamaica and was hanging around children. And there was a charge against such person. Just like how we can type in this person name and it come up, is the same way I went on Google, type it in, and the person's name came up. And even today, there are so many people, especially because the person preached Christianity. The person liked to pray on the live, liked to sing gospel songs on the live. But in America, the person is on the sex offenders list. But a lot of people in Jamaica would not come out against the person. Why? Because them preach Christianity and hide behind Christianity. But now we can come out with a hypocrite self and talk about the other family and have sympathy. What about the other child who never have no sympathy pan? Me, from I heard about that, me washed my hands and me never watch that person again. And if me a scroll and me see them, me gone. Not watching no such person. And you never disbelieve a child. When I was studying at university, we learned about child psychology. We did essays and researches on child behavior, children behavior. Children are innocent. Children pick up things from their environment. If a baby is born in a jungle, that baby is going to behave like the animals that raised it. The baby is not going to be able to speak. A child is not just going to get up and make up a detailed story involving a person doing a sexual behavior to them, and that's a complete lie. Where is that child being influenced from why they should make up such a lie? If that is indeed a lie, who told that child to tell that lie? Because that child never just get up and make up that lie on their own. And if parents know that their child or children is being abused, mothers is being abused, that you find out that they're being abused by a man, your man in your house, you should be charged too. Because you're just as guilty because you know it. If you don't know it, me can give you a pass. But if you know, you should be charged too. Okay? If you don't know and you report it, you find out and you report it, good on you. Good on you. Now do everything you can to support the affected child. Do not cover up. Don't cover it up. Why would you do such a thing? You're just as guilty as the demon. You're just as guilty as the perpetrator. Children don't lie on things like that. And don't listen to them people always going to twist the story because them already thinking about what lie they can tell and how they can manipulate you. They're already thinking of the manipulation because nobody not nice and sweet like them. And it's like them can't help themselves. You do it once, you're going to do it twice. And you're going to keep going and you're going to look for opportunities to do it. And if it's in your face, you're going to find it very hard to not indulge if you've got that mind already. Mothers and fathers, we are here to protect our children. You see, my girl, them, when my big daughter go Jamaica with her father without me 1 year, her grandmother called me and said, "Oh, what you tell her? She won't even make me beard her." That time she was about 2. Her father, mother, said she won't even let me beard her because I talk to my pitney before she go down. I talk to her, I put fear in them. And the one with the ear with me, I put fear in she too. Because they have to know. Nobody else is telling them. We are here to protect our children. You see, my girl pitney them, certain things, me we do that. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. So I don't like the fact that everybody now is like talking, oh my goodness, because it's the family that we so adore, you know. There are so many YouTube families and social media families in every culture and every walk of life. And we see, it looks beautiful, it looks nice. We like that idea because maybe that could be us. They represent it's our culture being shown where they're getting so many views. They're so popular. They are brand ambassadors for different popular companies. We're proud. We are proud of them. So when these things happen, we shame. We shame, but it shouldn't be only because it's them that we're now speaking out about children who are being, I don't want to use certain words, I'm thinking about it. Children who are being attacked in certain ways. Children who are being exposed to things that they should not be exposed to. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's something that we should be a great percentage of the Jamaican population has been through something as a child. Has been through this in one way or another as a child. And it's a shame that some of these same people who have gone through stuff as adults are doing it back to somebody else. How could you? How could you? You probably went through stuff. Your sisters probably went through stuff. Your cousin probably, without a doubt, went through stuff. How could you then turn around and do it to what they face to a child? And you have children. That is gross. That is very gross. And your name call upon it, sir. Oh, your name reach this, so. Oh, your name, nobody can call me thief, because me never thief a sweetie. If my name come in a paper or on anything, if they say me thief, me bloody well thief, you hear? Nobody now lock me up for something if me never in at the place for it happen. If somebody say, if me get charged for any sort of crime, say me going to one shop and somebody hold up, my friend, hold up the shop. Me get charged too. If I was not there, I could not be implicated. My name never called for no crime yet because I'm not going nowhere near crime. If your name called upon the crime, you're going near the crime. And as a mother, I'm not going to sit down here and say that child is lying. As somebody who was a child who grew up in the Jamaican society, I am not going to sit here and say that child is lying. Anybody would get up and say something like that as a parent and don't support the children, I might even turn off my comment section. Because any of us who dare say that they might try some cover up, but I don't see that happening. Because the person ain't P. Diddy and P. Diddy gone down. The person ain't big as some people that's gone down for stuff. So I don't see this being blown over. I don't see this going just like that. I'm here for it. Every day me refresh my social media to see what's going on. It's a damn shame. Shame. That's my 2 cents on it. Don't know what anybody else is going to say. And quite frankly, I don't care. Come and never tell no lie. Bye.